still have an action-packed night ahead.
And speaking of action, etong susunod nating performers, parang galing pa sa kung saang labanan.
Sabi nila, their costumes symbolize two different beliefs.
Gusto naman ipakita ang aming talento na upang makatulong din sa ating bayan.
Pwedeng magkasundo yung Muslim at sundalo.
Wala nang gera. Peace na.
Ready to conquer the first stage of reaching their dreams? From Dumaguete City, Fernando and Elmer.
Pangalan ng grupo niyong dalawa?
If EG Connects po.
Where are you from?
From Dumaguete po.
Anong name mo?
Fernando po.
Siya.
Elmar.
Yung costume ninyo, sensitive ito Alam mo yon. So sana, hindi ito joke. Sana seryosohan talaga. Kasi ayaw naman natin makasakit ng damdamin. Good luck to both of you. Go.
Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon ng PGT, dibdibin ninyo ang aming sayaw at iisip nyo. Yan lang po.
Dibdibin ang sayaw
At isa-isip ang
at
mensahe.
isa-isip pag maganda.
Opo.
Pag pangit, didibdibang kita. Reconciliation naman pala.
Sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, don't take me soon. Cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown. But I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will pray. One day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose. We all lose when they bleed on the souls of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement. Keep on moving though the water stay raging. In this space, you can lose your way. Your way. In my job, you crazy, but don't let it face you. No way. No way. It is all will change. Treat people the same. Stop with the violence. Down with the hate. One day we'll all be free. And
Pinakamagandang mensahe na nakita namin, buong Pilipinas Got Talent.
Kung sana mas nationalistic na kanta na Pinoy talaga, OPM, mas mararamdaman ko kasi story to nang nangyayari, I think, sa Mindanao, di ba? Yan ang tinatry niyong i-express sa atin. So, maganda yung actions, maganda yung mensahe. Yung song sana, mas angkop lang para sa ating mga Pinoy.
Tama, oo nga, ganon. Pero dahil maganda ang mensahe nyo, makaka-ano ka na ngayon sa akin, free from dibdib. Hindi kita madidibdiban kasi maganda ang message mo.
Definitely your dance sent a very great message. But the interpretation of the dance is very simple. Since basically it's a dance number, I would judge you in terms of your dancing
Sayaw.
expertise. Yung movement nyo, it's very ordinary. Wala akong nakitang naglilip or whatever. So, I'm sorry, I have to say no.
Ako rin, kuya, tama si boss. Dance interpretation to, so hindi naman talagang bombastic yung dance. Pero maganda yung message nyo. Pero for now ako, no.
Ako, mag-yes ako para sa inyo, okay? Pero do better next time. And please come back sa season 4.
Well, brothers, don't lose hope. Dahil yan din ang gusto ng buong sambayan ng Pilipino.
Malinaw pa sa salamin ang gusto nyong iparating na message. Mga kapatid, kuha nyo, gets ko.
Etong susunod nating performer, natuklasan daw niya ang kanyang talent nang minsan niyang mapagkatuwaan ang sariling mukha sa isang salamin.
Ako po si JR Bira. Halmas Ebidensya, 18 years of age. Ngayon po, ang trabaho ko po ay isang boy sa isang store. Sa bawat tingin ko sa salamin, one day, parang na-insecure ako sa face ko, bakit ganito? And pa-change face ako, ma'am. Parang hindi kasi attractive, ma'am. Then, at that time, parang discover ko na may ibang talent pa ako. Check. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Parang nararamdaman ko, JR, pag walang salamin, gwapo ka.
JR, isuot mo ulit sa salamin mo.
cute eh. Naka-lipstick ka ba?
Lip shiner lang po, ma'am.
Lip shiner. Go, JR.
It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces and walking back into the light, into the sunset.
Ang pieces niya, pieces.
Where my heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, that you're the answer to my prayer. If you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels brought me here. Standing here before you feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love. Every heartbeat speaks your name. My dreams came true right here in front of you. My miracle.
Yan ang tinatawag na interpretive dance.
JR,
Ma'am,
your physical comedy is very good.
thank you, ma'am.
Magaling ka.
Praise the Lord!
JR,
Sir,
ano yung ganun mo kanina?
feces.
Pieces.
While you can really tell a story with your body, it has to be more pronounced yung movements para mas may impact.
Yes, sir. Kasi, sir, medyo raw timing kasi ang LBM ko, sir.
Ano yan?
LBM, sir. Kanina pang umaga.
Nag-
Kalibanga.
paano yung LBMP?
Masama pakiramdam mo ngayon.
Slide po, ma'am.
Baka bumigay.
No, in all fairness talaga, very much like Vong. Yung ano, di ba? Oh.
Vong Revilla.
Let's vote.
Okay, it's a yes for me.
Walang duda, napasiha mo ako dahil dun sa
True.
true at
Peace.
this. Sa akin, it's a yes.
Thank you, sir.
Ako nang dahil sa lip shine. Hindi ko na makakalimutan si lip shine. Yes!
Salamat po.
What is lip shine nga ba, Lois?
Lip gloss. Sa Tagalog, pampakintab ng labi.
Basta ang alam ko, ang pieces ay throw to the next round.
Sok pa!
Huwag mo akong takutin.
Uy, anyayari? Tutok lang dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Pilipinas Got Talent would like to thank the following: RRJ, the official licensed apparel of Pilipinas Got Talent. Cebu Pacific Air, the official airline partner of PGT Season 3. Baguio Country Club, the official residence of Pilipinas Got Talent in Baguio City. Eurotel with branches at Araneta Cubao, Las Piñas, and Pedro Hill. Sleepworth Mattress. Filia by Joey Enriquez. Aquasoft Purified Drinking Water. Izu Parts Center, exclusive distributor of Joylong High Vans and High Gear Buses. Mandaue Foam Furniture. Castle Peak Hotel, Cebu City. And Hotel Cagayan de Oro City. Albergo Hotel, Baguio City. A Montana Resort, General Santos City. Park Lane International Hotel, Cebu City. Harold's Hotel, Cebu City. Dynasty Court, Cagayan de Oro City. Price Plaza, Cagayan de Oro City. The Mariners Inn, Batangas City. L. Fisher, Bacolod City. Hotel Coresco, Cagayan de Oro City. Iloilo Grand Hotel, Iloilo City. East View Hotel, Bacolod City. Golden Peak, Cebu City.